Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Today we have this car here, 2011 BMW 325 or 328i. Our problem here with this car is we have a Vanos code, and when I say we have a Vanos code, we come here, you read the codes. This is the second video, and you see it come back right away, the Vanos code, and it says that 2 Apple 7 Charlie, 2 Apple 7 Charlie. When you have this code, in your car, in the engine, you can swap the 2 solenoid valve in the front. We have a inlet and outlet, which is we have a Vanos intake and Vanos exhaust. Try to take the solenoid and change them. If the code is still coming back, that means something inside is no good. How you know? How you know that? You're gonna go back to, let me show you something. Go to live data if you have a tools or anything, and go to variable camshaft timing. Variable camshaft timing, if everything is okay, it will not exceed 111. If anything more than 111, that means the timing is not okay. And the reading here, as you see, is that one is minus 115 and the other one is 120. It's supposed to be less than that. Anything over 110 or 100 something, that means over 111, 111, that means there is something wrong inside the car. It could be timing issue, it could be camshaft gear, it could be anything. What is recommended is to replace both camshaft and exhaust, and then reset it and time it good. If you don't do that, you will have all this issue again and again. We changed the sensor brand new too, but still we have the same. I clear even the code come back again. So this is a quick information about this particular code that keep coming even though after you change the 2 solenoid, and the location of the solenoid is here.
Look, I'm leaving the key. Look at right here. Give your son.
Yeah. Okay, those solenoids are located here. I'm gonna put the light on. You see one on the left side, which is here, and the one is here. You can switch them. You can switch the solenoid, and if still they come back, that means the engine have to be opened, and the 2 camshafts, the exhaust and the exhaust and the intake have to be replaced, and then you recheck it again. This is the only way that I can tell you. The degree amount must not exceed 111.